Right before I turned the camera on, there were some little field mice in here, and they've got a little nest in here. I don't know how they got in, but see there, that's where their nest. That's where their nest is, right there. And I saw 3 mice go right behind those rocks over there. Oh, yeah, see him? See him? There he is. Where did he go? He's behind those rocks right there. There. You ain't slick, I see you. I saw 2 of them there. Did you see them? Okay, well they're out and about. It looks like I may have to put a trap down here. I don't want to. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hello, little guy. Oh, isn't he so cute? He's probably got babies down in this nest. Right there. I'm not sure how they got in there and how they eat and all that kind of good stuff. Because I thought I got things sealed up pretty good over here. And we're on this column and where the stairs are and stuff. Now it looks like, we'll see. See, this is all new stuff that I put in here from before. Still looks really mighty nice. Mighty nice indeed. Yo. And if you want to watch those videos, go under my playlists and look for dry rot deck repairs or something like that. Fixing a deck, repairing a deck, tearing down a deck. I don't know. Each video I'm gonna title something slightly different, you know. But then I'll put them all together on a playlist, and they should be on there. And you look under drywall deck repairs, go to my playlist and take a look. Okay, I'm not gonna disturb the poor little dudes right now. But next time, unfortunately, guys, hey, spring has come and you guys need to get out of my house because I don't want you inside. Mommy would freak if she saw you. Even though you're so adorable. Look at him. Hello. Hello. Here he goes. Here he comes. Watch him. He's going to get in his nest. Oh, there he went. He went right underneath there. And he's all nice and warm. I had that all cleaned up from before on the ground. Look at that. This is a nice little nest they built. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to disturb him anymore. I thought I saw another one over here. But, no, I'm not seeing it. I think there's 2 more behind those rocks over there if I really wanted to disturb them. But I'm not going to. We're going to keep going. Okay, so that's another thing. I can put some mouse traps down here for them. That is, if they don't, you know, hopefully after they have babies, maybe they'll get out of here the way they came in. I don't know. But, so they couldn't have, well, they could have came through this hole, but they would have had to climb up here and drop down. See, there's another one. I just saw him. He went over in the corner. But maybe there's an opening somewhere where they can get out. But I don't think they'll climb up here. But believe it or not, see this? They can climb right up this wall because it's a stucco wall, and it's amazing what these little buggers can do. Okay, so now we know we've got a little bit of a mouse issue here. Okay, moving on. Everything looks pretty clean here. We're gonna keep on going on our journey under the house. You just never know what you're gonna find, huh? Now that's not what I caught underneath the other section of house. I actually caught a rat and a squirrel, not some little itty bitty mices. Okay, all right, so we've already kind of looked at this area here. Now what I want to do is see if I can't scooch up in here and get over here, see what that looks like.